Good evening, everybody. This is Stanley Hills with a breaking story. Georgie, my Georgie isn't here, but we have Robbie Raccoon with a special story breaking now. Take it away, Robbie Raccoon.
Thank you, Stiffly. This is one wild story. We are getting reports of a man running around town, chasing refrigerators.
Come over here, you! Help me!
This individual is described as very dangerous. Authorities say do not approach him. He has been seen with and without a war bonnet on his head. Why the bonnet? No one knows yet.
Come to Guapo!
Refrigerators across the city are running in fear.
Move it, loser!
Some are even refusing to turn on unless the GE police force apprehend this man.
Help us, stop that Guapo! Or we won't work and your food will go plapo! Wow, you got such a big door, Mommy.
The Popo asked that any citizens with any information on the whereabouts of this individual please call 1-300-GUAPO-BE-CRAY. That's 1-300-GUAPO-BE-CRAY. That's all for me. I'm Robbie Raccoon, saying see you all Gator. You can thank me for that joke, Gator. Back to you, Stubby.
It's Stanley. How many times must I say it's Stanley?